Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? How's it going? Ooh, kick the camera. Ooh, ooh, kicking the camera. I have a super huge list of reactions that I need to react to and catch up on, and this is one of the ones I was most excited for. I love Ghost9. I really do, and they did have an American tour, and I did not go because I didn't know it was a thing until it was already happening. But the last song that they did was Control, and that song is perfect. You could go check that out if you want to, but I went so hard into my classical music knowledge because they literally did Elf King in a music video of modern day K-pop. Like, that was insane to me, and I went into a whole description about it. It was, yes, I'm excited to see what they're doing. I don't know what is happening with this. Like, I haven't seen tears. I don't know what's happening. I thought they were still on tour, honestly. So the fact that this dropped, I was like, what? I'm super excited for it. I'm here for it. I'm so here for it. So let's just go. Okay. Okay. This hits really hard already. I can't say anything. I'm like stunned. Okay. Okay. Stuttering the build up. I have like goosebumps. Also, just Junyoung center. That's. Stop it. Stop. He always has my favorite lines. Ah! I'm speechless. Like, I can't say anything. I also really, really appreciate this black and white filter and like coloring their hair. It's so cool. That little part right before the drop, and they just stuttered the drop, okay. It's so good. The down low part, oh god. It's so cool. The background sounds like it shouldn't go with the melody, and yet it does. I didn't know he could do that, and now we're throwing people. Okay. The chanting always gets me. As per usual, this is too good. Do I think it was as good as the last one? No, because I freaking died over the last one, but this is still a very good song, and they keep getting better. Like, they just keep increasing the quality of song that they release, and it's super, super cool to see how far they've come. And I feel like, in my mind, they're really big, but like, I know people don't know who they are. Like, they're so cool. They make such good music, and after Control, I don't know how people didn't like completely craze over them. because I did. Alright guys, it's move out weekend. Lots of ghost noises. For the GHOST9 music video. Perfect. Oh my goodness, just oh my goodness. I can't formulate the words to say how cool this was. Musically, just everything. And then you have, was that Junhyung who was popping? Like, are you kidding me? That was so cool. Or was it Crumping? I don't know. He's doing that form of dance that people don't normally do. And it was cool. And then they threw somebody. Like, okay, can I have a dance practice, please? I want to see them. I want to see that. I do really want to see that. But this was super cool. I had a great time. I hope you guys had a great time. And I hope everyone has a great rest of their day. And bye.